In this video, we'll show you how to add mods to Lunar client for Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want to customize your Minecraft experience with additional mods beyond what Lunar client already offers, it's actually super easy. As we know, Lunar client comes with over 65 built-in mods, but you can add your own custom mods on top of those to really level up your gameplay. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Apex Hosting offers super fast performance with their high-speed servers, so your gameplay will be smooth and lag-free. Plus, they've got amazing customer support available 24/7 to help you whenever you need it. Their setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing with your friends in minutes. If you use their service, you're supporting the channel, so thank you so much. Alright, so we're inside Lunar client now, and the first thing you're gonna do is hover to the left here and click on this puzzle piece icon to go to the version section. Now here, if you see at the top, you'll have a toggle for each version available. There's Lunar client versions, mod packs, and also vanilla Minecraft versions. But for this video, we're gonna use the mod packs because it already has mods in it, and it's easy to add mods on top of that. So here, there's several options you can pick: MCC Island, Windcraft, Hoplite. But one thing you need to know is the game version it uses and also what mod loaders it uses. So for example, Hoplite, it used 121 version and used Fabric as the mod loader. This is important because when you download the mods, you have to download the one that is for this version and also use the same mod loader. If you don't see launch game button here, you probably need to install the mod packs, so you can go ahead and do that, but I already have it for Hoplite. So what we're gonna do is click on the gear icon next to it, and this will bring us to the list of all the mods currently in your mod pack. So as you can see, there are 17 mods installed here. You can disable and enable them, but to install a custom mod, you can click on this folder icon on top next to the search bar, and it will open the installation folder where you can put your mods into. So for example, I want to install this GEI mod, and if you see closely, I have it for Minecraft version 121 and use Fabric as the mod loader. That is the same version that Hoplite is using. So to install it, all you need to do is drag and drop the mod file into the installation folder. So just like that, and that's done. If you go back to Lunar client, you'll see that it's already installed. It's really that simple. And then you can launch the game and enjoy your custom mod.